Hi, this is Ellie Parker. Hello. Leave a message for Ellie. Hello, this is Ellie Parker. Your name and your number and a short message, and I'll call you back.
United 93, calling United 93.
The cabin is secure.
Hands, guys.
I'm not gonna need these where I'm going either.
I'll be right out. There you go. There's some nice bedding. Hey, what the hell? Did you drink my vodka?
Shaq, will you please be in my movie?
Well, sure, A-Dog.
Wow.